Alright, I'm telling you, this is a game that we win. I'm tired of losing. I'm grabbing this game by the fucking balls. That's so rough. Okay. I'll take one kill out of it though. So, to me, why is this dude sitting in this bush when Crab is up? Like, they fought for so long and the Diana just sat there. It's so weird. I get this camp, I get 6, I go bot lane. I think they want me bot lane right now. But when I'm 6, we have a much higher chance. I'll just be here in case they tower dive. Wait, she's backing. Let's fucking go. Oh wait, what the? Where's our... Where was our Tristana? Nice job, one down. Oh, I got blue form too! Holy shit, let's go! No, I had... Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Good job, boys. Good job, team. Let's go. Pop off. Wait for a second. There we go. I can't go over the wall. Nah, that's unlucky. I mean, I'll actually take that, though. I will take that. That's 2 kills. They get Dragon, but we're going to get the rest of them anyway, so... I like this Mordekaiser's summoner spells. It is very fast. Look at him go! Man, this man's dick is fucking throbbing. Look at him. Look at him! Absolute menace. I think they kill her. Yeah, nice job, guys. Let's fucking go, boys. Nice. Oh, what is this, man? What is that? What the? Okay, well. Nice. I swear, that Tristana did no damage. Cool. Right, let's go. But, okay, there was no reason to ult this kill. I will not lie to you. Whatever. It's fine. Why? He's trolling me. Like, in this game, I don't think blue is bad late game here. If I remove Blitz, I don't have it open at the moment. Just because I was doing something else, so... I closed a lot of things. There we go. What the? I can't ult. What the fuck, dude? Okay, nice. Nice. Let's go, boys! Alright, what a fucking play. Here we go. Give me that. Okay. Good job. That was nice. We actually get transmission here. There it is. Alright. There we go. Now we start doing big fuck off damage, mate. I can't get close to him though. No, that was so unlucky. You know what? I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Cool. I think a lot of other items right now, other than serpents, are like more in demand. But serpents, yeah, okay, true. It's a classic meme. Only real ones get the serpents meme.
This is as it was meant to be. There is a time.
Die, cat! Oh, what the fuck? Yo! What the? Wait, what is this? What is this about, man? Never in a million fucking years. Come on, man. What the fuck?
The reaping begins with
That was a long range one. Oh. I got exhausted too. I can't actually get in on this. It's fine. We'll just leave. Oh, damn, I died. It's rough. Because now we have to fight without me for dragon. Oh! Diana missing ultimate there, though, is huge. Okay. Well, the Synapse clip is, yeah, that clip is where I definitely let my guard down. Ooh, okay, but... What did I just witness? I need to get over there as fast as I can. Let's fucking go! No! No! Oh, I lost. I lost. I lost. Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Oh, it's, I'm gonna have to wipe my keyboard clean after that one. Holy shit. Let's fucking go. Dude, I can't believe I missed my WQ when he dashed away, but like... Oh my god. Let's go.